Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is 师傅 JJ. Today video, the Drunken Kung Fu, lesson 4. In today's video, we're going to present you 3 very cool Drunken Kung Fu movements. I know it's a little bit challenging, but I believe you can do it with my steps. So follow me now. Very cool movement. So for this movement, your both knee slide on the floor and your right hand to get a drink. Go, lean your head back and your back bunny. Go back much as possible and your left hand just on front of the stomach. So this is the movement. If you want to achieve this movement, so follow me with a couple steps. The first movement, we have to little stretching your back so don't get injured. So lean back, much as possible, both hands on your back, chin back, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold 5 seconds for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so just repeat for 2 or 3 times like this to get your back more flexible and more leaning back. The second steps, sit on the floor, straight your knee. Put your one of your leg bending like this, so behind. Keep like this, and both hands behind, and lean back. Your head and your shoulders lean back. You can put your hand to move further and further like this. So you can stretching this side more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hold there 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm gonna stretching the other side the same. So left leg and bending, just put behind. So straight line like this, and you lean back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Holding there 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the same thing, you can to stretching this over again 2 or 3 times, really to make this stretching out. So if you have these 2 things, your leg muscle here is more flexible and also your back more flexible. So now we can put them together. Now you put your both knee down like this and put your ankle flat. So don't go this way. This way will be stuck you. So you go toe point on the floor like this way, right? So you can sit on your heels and just slowly lean back. You can try to open your hip a little bit because the way, if you cannot go all the way down, it's okay. So try a little higher, but just lean back, chin up, and you're gonna drink. So a little stretching, and that's not that hard. So now we're just gonna put your movement together. So make a little running and slide. All right, so the technique, so when you start running, you say 1, 2, both feet is same line, and then you try to go squats all the way, and you just go heel up. You can slide your lead in here, and you slightly lean back. Open your hip, you say they will slide forward. So first, don't try boom all the time, all the way. Don't try boom all the way. Just try a little bit each time. So feel this motion. Say 1, 2, heel up, straight knee down, and open hip. So that's how it's work. So if you go a little bit more and you can lean back a little more, over time you will get the motion. Right? So say go 1, 2, 3, lean. Right? When you slide, you lean back. So take the steps, don't hurry. Your safety is first important. So when it's over again, you're training, I believe you can get this one with good quality and safety. So with your head on the top, like this one. Great work. Let's go to the next one. For this movement, is more on floor. Actually, this is a scorpion kick in Drunken Kung Fu style. So let's follow me now. The first move, so you lie down like sideways. So both hands flat like this, and this knee bending left and flat on the floor. So you bend your right knee right here, and you kick to the top. And quick land flat of your right. So knee up like this way. So you turn to your position. you're getting up, your left hand hold right here, and your left leg straight. So see this again. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the position you want to have. Once you have this, and I want you to practice, so you're open your hip and push your right leg. You say 1 and you push. So this up. So now another movement for the second step. So you go open your hip and you push, and same time you're gonna kick your left. So you go like this. Perfect. And you just kind of little lean back, and then really important, stay strong your shoulder. Your hand flat on this, a little push. So go 1, kick, kick. So once you got this motion, so now you want to keep your left leg more over to this side. And then you follow by your right, kind of like a car rail from floor. So this is the way you go here, and you push, and you gotta kicking that way, and go 1 and 2. So that's the movement how you get up, like a car rail, like this, just on the floor. So once you go push, very important, open hip, kick, push your hand. So 3 in 1. Get this? 1, 1, 1, push. Oh, also one more, sorry. Your chin up, you have to go look that way. So chin up. So that way, everything lean to back. So that way you can push, kicking, looking, and also push. Got this? Go 1, 2, and you get up. So this is a two move combination for Drunken Kung Fu style. So first one is front row. So the front row we've already been the front row I've been teaching, I believe, in Ditang Quan lesson, but I'll just quick review how to do front row and connect to shuffle. Let's follow me now. So both feet, same line, and try squats. So both hands on the floor, and you straight your knee, your head, and look at that way. So look through your both leg between to look back. So you will be gently say like this, and like a ball. Just roll like this, and up, and go down, and go up. So you can rolling like a ball. So very important, you both hand, so like this, hold. So your body like stay like a ball. So thus you can roll back and roll front, and roll back and roll front. So with the speed, it will naturally stand up. Again, both feet, same line, and both hands on the floor, and look back, straight your knee, and now push your hand, and push your heel up, go, a little speed, you got up like this. So perfect. So now we're gonna connect with the shuffle. Once you roll and get up like this, you stand up, you step, you're right, and both hand open, and left hand flat like this. So stay low you can, and your both hand hit the floor hard you can. Go like this. Straight your right knee like this, and behind leg over like this. Let's see how your left leg go. So behind, you bend your leg like this, your heel up, your toe point like this position, and you flat, you both hand like this. So that is a perfect line, and stay safe. It looks great. Now is the time to put all the basic together for the lesson 4 combo Drunken Kung Fu style. So follow me step by step. 3. You're landing your left, and you attack by left. Same time you step your right, and you step your left. Same time you attack with this way. Quick step 1, 2, 3. With your both knee go down, and you go slap. So after this one, you both hand to lean this way and to show a kick. Your right go down, straight your left, get up this position, and bend arm, and now you put your arm, get up this way, and quick swing your right, go down, like this, and after, you got to make a big step, 1, 2, 3, step back, 1, and your both hand go down, front row, Remember, both hands swing this way, step your right, and hit foot. That's all for today. The sweep movement plus the transition move for the lesson 4 of Drunken Kung Fu style. I see you in the next video. I love you all and bye bye.